show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden.
Hey guys, it's me Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today I have a super exciting video for you guys because I'm going to be talking about the new glasses I got, and then I'm going to be showing you guys some glasses life hacks and some glasses tips. And by the way, do you guys like my lighting? I know it's like super shadowy, but that's because I literally have two iPhone flashlights pointed at me. Yeah, let's ignore that. But So I'm going to quickly talk about Firmoo, which is the company who sent me these glasses to review on my channel. So thank you so much, Firmoo, or Firmoo, or however you pronounce it, for sending me these glasses to review on my channel. So I've done a review for them before, and they were my glass glasses. And so if you would like a more detailed review, go check out my last video. I'll have it linked down below, and that video is problems only glasses wearers will understand. So yeah, so I got these glasses. I really like the shape and color of them. They're purple and circle, and did that rhyme? Maybe I didn't. And yeah, so Firmoo is a online glasses company that sells glasses for super cheap. I'm like talking really cheap, and their prices don't go over $39. That's how cheap I'm talking. And they're really, really good quality. I've had a few different glasses from them before, and they work amazing. They work just as well, if not better, than store-bought or like brand name glasses companies. So make sure you guys go check them out. I'll have all the information linked down below. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Hack number 1. Are you tired and sad about glasses prices? Yeah, me too. They could go up to like $1,000, and I'm not even exaggerating. So if that's you, go to my description box right now, and I have a buy one get one free deal, so make sure you use my code at firmoo.com. So these next few, I'm just going to turn into one big hack, and if you're a person who likes to wear makeup, try to focus your makeup just like right here if you are like out of time or if you just want to do something, and this is going to help enhance your features with glasses. So this hack is to use concealer under your eyes, lighter than a color that you'll usually use, because glasses sometimes create a shadow under your eye to make it look like you have really bad under eye circles. So this next hack is to do your eyebrows, and this is really important because it helps frame your face with your glasses. Okay, so this hack is for if your glasses makes your eyes look smaller than they actually are, and this happens to me because my eyes are pretty bad, and your nose, and this is going to help. So what you do is you curl your eyelashes and then apply a few coats of mascara, and this is going to make your eyes pop, and yeah, they're going to make your eyes look bigger, which is good because if your glasses make your eyes. So this next hack is super simple, but it's really important, and this helps your glasses from not scratching. So just have a habit of when you take off your glasses, put it down like this. Do not put it on the lenses like this, because this could, the table or wherever you're putting it, can scratch the lenses. And I used to be so bad with this, but now I have a habit of just putting them up like this, and your glasses will be safe. So this hack is for if you have problems when cleaning your glasses, and this happens to me a lot. Like I use those glasses cleaning wipes and they don't even work, like they do nothing. So what you do is you take your glasses and you run it under some warm water and then take some dish soap. Dish soap. Why is it so hard for me to say? I don't know. And you're just going to rub it into your glasses and then rinse it off. Make sure you're being gentle, and then it's going to leave your glasses so clean. Like it's gonna, when you put your glasses on, you're gonna be shook. So as I was saying, unless I get interrupted by the blender again, if you can't see and you lose your glasses, you'll probably never find them again, but this hack has you covered. You basically take your phone and go to the camera and you use that as your new eyes. Do you hear that? Okay, just ignore that. So, and you use that as your new eyes, and you look through the camera and find your glasses. Good luck, because if you don't understand what I mean right now, you're basically done. Are you? So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much Firmoo for sending me these glasses. I love them so much. And make sure you guys go check out the description box. I'll have a whole bunch of links and promo codes like coupons you guys don't want to miss. So yeah, and so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below. And comment down below if you have glasses or not, or if you've ever had glasses, or if you have contacts, or whatever you like. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!